that easy. Knew it wasn't going. Never is. Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
So this is what helps me set it. So basically, this part right here, I pull this out. I'm already halfway through. All right. I think we're good.
It did when you got everything replaced. Right on. Crazy.
Yeah, probably move right here.
About to pop off.
One piece.
One piece. Like I said, no mess. Alright, just like that, she's out.
Oh, damn, he was on it. So, I'm waiting for it to pop.
What little glue there is.
Yeah, there ain't very much on there, is it?
Yeah, no.
Right, just that missing part in it.
Dang. The VIN is a sticker now?
Oh yeah. Yeah, not.
Go over there so he can check.
Alright.
But supposedly the dude said that he put something on there and he fixed it.
He put some on. What guy was that? The one that fixed the wheel? The one that fixed the wheel?
Yes.
Oh, shit, I wouldn't trust that. I wouldn't trust that some bitch in the shit house with a mug on. No, I wouldn't trust it.
I mean, did he hook it up to a computer? Did he at least hook it up to a computer? That's the only thing. If he hooked it up to the computer, there ain't no point in going over there.
He didn't know his PIN number before he went to the bank.
Yeah. Yeah, he said, he told me before he left, he got his PIN number, but I don't know what the hell he went to the bank for then.
Oh, when his photo right there, he did it. But he could tell you went to the exact, but okay.
He said in the car now, I don't know what he's doing.
You want to do it now?
Yeah, he don't want to fuck with it now. That's the shit that he going through. Where he bud talking. Like he knows what the hell he going to do.
So the guy said, never mind.
He said he'll do it for me. He ain't gonna do it for Bud.
So do you want him to follow him over there or you go give him the address?
He just right around the corner from me on Fatport. Bud can follow me. What's wrong with it?
What's possible is misfire?
Yeah,
What's
anything misfire? Yeah.
Multiple misfires, a number of things that my
Damn head. You got your windshield out.